Welcome back to Golden Chic Life, where we celebrate elegance, confidence, and timeless beauty at every age. You stand in front of your closet, full of clothes, beautiful pieces you spent good money on. But somehow, when you get dressed, something's missing. You don't feel as elegant as you hoped, as polished as you imagined. I know that feeling intimately. For years, I bought what magazines told me to buy. I followed trends. I invested in expensive pieces, but I still felt like something was off. Like I was missing some secret code that truly elegant women knew. Then, everything changed when I discovered 7 simple adjustments. Not expensive purchases, not drastic makeovers. Just small, strategic tweaks that transformed how I looked and how I felt. And here's what shocked me. I didn't need to spend more money. I just needed to be smarter about what I already had. Today, I'm sharing all 7 tricks with you. And I'm warning you now. Trick number 6 completely changed how I see denim. It might do the same for you. Let's begin. Trick number 1. Master your proportions. This is the secret most women don't know. But once you understand it, you'll never get dressed the same way again. The problem isn't usually the clothes themselves. It's how they relate to your body. Here's the rule that changed everything for me. The rule of thirds. Imagine your body divided into 3 sections. The key is creating looks where your clothing doesn't cut your body exactly in half. Because when that happens, you look shorter, wider, less elegant. For example, if you're wearing high-waisted pants, and you should be because they're incredibly flattering, pair them with a top that ends just below your navel or tucks in completely. This creates a beautiful long line that makes you look taller and more proportioned. Pay attention to skirt and dress lengths too. They should end at the thinnest part of your leg, either just below the knee or at the ankle. Never at the widest part of your calf. That's where most women get it wrong. Here's my challenge to you. Take full body photos of your outfits. Study the proportions. Over time, you'll develop an eye for what works on your specific body. And here's what's incredible. This works for every body type. Tall, petite, curvy, straight. The right proportions make everyone look more expensive. So tell me, have you been cutting your body in half without realizing it? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you're finding value here already, hit that like button. It helps this reach more women who need to hear this. Trick number 2. Invest in nude shoes. This trick is so simple it feels like cheating, but the impact? Absolutely transformative. Shoes in your skin tone are like a magic wand for your legs. They create an unbroken line from your hips to your toes that makes your legs look impossibly long and lean. The secret is choosing the right nude. It needs to be as close to your actual skin tone as possible. Not too light, not too orange, your skin color. And it works with any style: pumps, flats, sandals, even boots. Here's what makes this trick so powerful. Nude shoes go with everything. Every color, every pattern, every style. They're the ultimate wardrobe workhorse, which means you can justify investing in quality because you'll wear them constantly. My advice? Buy the best pair you can afford. Good leather, comfortable fit, classic style. These aren't trend pieces. They're foundation pieces that will serve you for years. And here's the controversial part. I think every woman over 50 needs nude shoes more than black ones. There, I said it. Black can be harsh and create a visual stop at your feet. Nude elongates and softens. It's simply more elegant. Trick number 3. Always add a third element. This is the trick that takes you from dressed to dressed well, from basic to elegant, and most women completely overlook it. The third element is that finishing piece that elevates everything else. You have your base, pants, and a top, a dress. That's 2 elements, but it's not enough. You need a third piece to create visual interest and sophistication. It could be a blazer, a cardigan, a statement necklace, a silk scarf, a structured belt, something that adds dimension and polish. For example, black pants and a white blouse is fine. It's clean. But add a tailored blazer, now you look intentional, refined, expensive. Build a collection of third element pieces: a well-cut blazer in a neutral tone, a lightweight leather jacket, a beautiful long cardigan, a bold necklace. These are your secret weapons. And you don't need designer labels. I've found incredible third element pieces at thrift stores, on sale, even borrowed from friends. It's not about the price tag. It's about the structure and polish they add. What's your go-to third element? Tell me in the comments, because I love learning what works for different women. Trick number 4, go monochromatic. You know that morning panic where nothing seems to match? Where you try on 5 outfits and still feel frumpy? Monochromatic dressing solves that forever. Wearing pieces in the same color family or very close tones is the easiest way to look sophisticated. It creates a long, lean line. It looks intentional and editorial. And it's actually simpler than mixing colors. Before you think you need to buy all new clothes, stop. Look in your closet right now. I guarantee you have pieces that work together monochromatically. All beige, all navy, all gray, all cream. The trick is choosing neutral tones. They're versatile, timeless, and easy to build around. And here's the magic. You can add pops of color through accessories. A colorful scarf, a bright handbag, statement earrings. Monochromatic doesn't mean boring. It means elegant. It means you understand the power of restraint. And trust me, when you walk into a room in a perfectly coordinated monochromatic look, people notice. If you're enjoying these tricks, subscribe to Golden Chic Life. We have these honest conversations every week about style, beauty, and confidence after 50. Hit that button so you don't miss what's coming next. Trick number 5, embrace the power of scarves. I know what you're thinking. Scarves are old-fashioned. They're grandma accessories. But let me tell you something controversial. That's exactly why you should wear them. Because scarves signal something. They say, I understand classic elegance. I appreciate timeless style. I'm not chasing trends. A silk scarf around your neck with a simple white shirt? That's French elegance. A scarf tied on your handbag? That's quiet luxury. A scarf as a headband? That's vintage Hollywood glamour. Scarves are incredibly versatile and affordable. You can find beautiful options at department stores, vintage shops, online, and they last forever. The trick is choosing classic patterns, polka dots, delicate florals, geometric prints, animal prints if they're subtle. Avoid anything too loud or trendy. You want scarves that will look just as elegant 10 years from now. Try this. Take a thin silk scarf, fold it into a narrow band. Tie it loosely around your neck with a knot slightly to the side. Tuck the ends. Now look in the mirror. See how it instantly elevates a basic outfit? That's the magic of scarves. They're small but mighty. Trick number 6, find your perfect jeans. Now, this is where I'm going to challenge something you might believe, that women over 50 shouldn't wear jeans, or that jeans can't look elegant. Both are absolutely wrong. The problem isn't jeans, it's wearing the wrong jeans. And I'm going to tell you exactly which jeans you need. High-waisted, dark wash, straight leg or slightly boot cut, no distressing, no fading, no rips or tears. These jeans do 3 things. They lengthen your legs, they smooth your midsection, they look polished instead of sloppy. And here's what changed my mind about denim. When you pair perfect jeans with elegant pieces, a silk blouse, a cashmere sweater, a tailored blazer, you look effortlessly chic. The key is treating jeans like tailored pants, not casual wear. Invest in a quality pair. Make sure they fit properly. No sagging, no pulling. And keep them in pristine condition. Dark jeans can go almost anywhere. Dinner, shopping, casual meetings. They're one of the most versatile pieces you can own. So if you've been avoiding jeans because you think they're not age appropriate, I'm giving you permission. Find your perfect pair. You'll wear them constantly. What's your relationship with jeans? Love them? Avoid them? Tell me in the comments. Trick number 7, perfect your makeup technique. This is the final touch that pulls everything together, and it's where so many women get it wrong. They either wear too much makeup, trying to look younger, or not enough, thinking they've aged out of it. The truth is somewhere in between. The goal isn't looking younger. It's enhancing your natural beauty with intention. Light foundation that evens your skin tone without settling into lines. Cream blush on the apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. Soft, neutral eyeshadows that brighten your eyes without looking harsh. And lipstick. This is non-negotiable. A rosy nude or classic red pulls your whole face together. But here's the real secret. Skincare. Well moisturized, well cared for skin is the foundation of elegant makeup. No amount of product can compensate for neglected skin. Keep your makeup simple, fresh, and polished. That's what elegant women do. They enhance, they don't mask. So there you have it. 7 tricks that transformed how I look and how I feel. 7 simple adjustments that made me look 10 times more expensive without spending a fortune. And here's what I know. You can do this too. Remember when we started and I talked about feeling like something was missing? Like fashion wasn't for you anymore? Now you know that was never true. Fashion is for every age. You just need the right tools, the right knowledge, the right tricks. Which of these 7 will you try first? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, join our Golden Chic Life family. We're building a community of women who refuse to believe that elegance has an age limit. Next video, we're diving into how to build a capsule wardrobe after 50. The essential pieces every woman needs. You won't want to miss it. Until then, remember this. True elegance isn't about the clothes. It's about the woman wearing them. And that woman? She's already inside you. These tricks just help her shine through. Stay graceful, stay confident, and stay beautifully, unapologetically you.